Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
What's your name?
Baba.
Raise your hand.
Yeah, heart attack in your kidney. I heard you got heart attack in kidney last
To
night.
express yourself, you have to speak only Bhojpuri. Then only we will be able to understand. Na?
Last night you got a heart attack in kidney.
Calling the patient, Mr. John, how are you? Mr. John, Mr. John, patient is not responding. So first I have to call for help. Help, help, my patient is in arrest. Help. Simultaneously, I am checking the pulse and respiration. Pulse already you know na, there is a carotid pulse I have to check, and that is for 5 to 10 seconds only. We have to only give the 5 to 10 seconds, okay? And simultaneously, my eyesight will be the chest, that there is a chest movement is present or not. So I am checking.
Patient has only breathing and I only give breathing. In hospital situation we have ambu bag, that times you give, but in the roadside bus, that times you have in a handkerchief, or you can take a
Gauge piece or anything
Cloth or
to
gauze piece.
don't give the direct breathing, okay? So first he is giving the assisted breathing because the pulse is present. Feeble pulse I have checked, there is a pulse is present, so she is giving the assisted breathing. And for 2 minutes you don't interrupt this one. After giving the 2-minute complete breathing, then you have to again check for the breathing
That
is
is called
present or not.
reassessment.
Reassessment,
So
okay?
before giving breathing, you have to do head tilt and chin lift to keep the airway patent. Okay? You place your palm on the head, this head tilt, and here the angle of the jaw. So you chin lift. This is
Okay.
called head tilt chin lift to maintain the
Don't
patent
use
airway.
this portion because there is a soft tissue. If you are giving the pressure over here, that is can block the again airway. Okay? So always in that jaw bone. Angle of jaw you have
Pinch
to
the nose.
give.
Here
Okay?
the bridge of the
Not
nose.
here.
Body prominence just below that. Pinch the nose. You have to seal the nose and you have to seal the mouth. No air should be there, and your eyes should be on the chest. When you are giving the mouth to mouth breathing, chest should be raised.
Hmm. Little bit
This
is
is a
movement is
long
there
angle,
because
that's
of
why.
हाँ.
Now you have to give 2 minutes continuously. The gappings, one breathing, 1 second, and every 5 to 6 second interval you have continuously giving the breathing.
Our motto is 10 to 12 respiration. So
How like
after
this 2 minutes?
2 minutes, again here assist that there is a no respiration and pulse also
Same.
checking that there is a no pulse now. Before it was patient is deteriorating. So I can now start the compression. Now compression. Compression side both middle of the nipple, okay? There is
Middle of
a
the breastbone.
and then draw imaginary line between the two nipples and keep your palm over here. Lock interlocking is with the another one. Make this one and this is the 30:2. 30 compression. Again give the root, okay? And you have to place your body with the patient is at 90-degree angle. Your hand should be straight.
Elbow should not be bent. It
Head
should be straight.
like that.
And whole body on the patient's chest.
Okay.
So it will be easy
So-
to give the compression.
And that is the depth will be 4 to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Don't like this way 5 cycles. Don't interrupt like between
So
this.
two
Okay.
cycles. You complete 2 cycles. 2 breathing, 30 complete. That is 1 cycle. Like this way, you have to complete 5 cycles.
5
It's like
cycles
2
here
minutes.
within
This should not be
2 minutes.
to
Okay.
fight.